Good morning. Today I'm in New Zealand and I've just left from Queenstown and I'm currently doing the Ben Lomond track. So it's a reasonably steep climb, but apparently really good views from the top, so really looking forward to doing this one. So this is a small dam that they were using a long time ago for a hydroelectric plant. They've got down the bottom here, so they capture the water here and then run it down this pipe and then down to like a tiny little power station. Now with this walk you can start it from Queenstown like I did, or you can take the gondola to the top of the hill and then continue on to the summit from there. But this walk's been really nice. It's sort of, I think you're kind of missing out. Although you probably get really good views from the gondola as well. But yeah, really nice forest at the moment here. So I'm just following the orange markers for this track. There's a section down there where there's like a convergence of all the mountain bike tracks and the bushwalking track. It was really hard to find out where I was supposed to go because everywhere there was mountain bikes. Eventually I found it. It wasn't really well signposted, but I'm on the right track now. I was reading on a sign that they're saying that these pines are sort of going wild, and I think they're maybe trying to kill them off because they're kind of a bit of invasive and taking over. That's the Ben Lomond lookout summit. Here's one special view. Hopefully it should be a little bit quicker going down than it was coming up. It's certainly a good workout coming up this mountain. I've just come back to the saddle on this walk, and this was the Ben Lomond track, and that there is Mount, well, Ben Lomond they call it. So yeah, it's been a really good, weather's been perfect here in New Zealand. It's quite warm though, but yeah, this is like the perfect day to be doing it because you've got such amazing views, whereas if you're here on an overcast or a rainy day, it'd be a lot of work for not a lot of reward. Yeah, but it's been good. This is one of a couple of walks I'll be doing while I'm here in New Zealand, but now I'm sort of heading back down to Queenstown, and most of that's just like walking through the tree line, and not a lot more to see. Once I get into the tree line, then there's really not much to video, so I might sign off here. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.